Hello friends, is your car hesitating, misfiring, or struggling to start? If your obd2 scanner is showing the P0395 error code, it means there's an issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit, bank 2. This problem can lead to engine performance issues, rough idling, and even complete failure to start. But don't worry, today, I'll explain what P0395 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0395? The P0395 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B, Circuit Malfunction, Bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, is responsible for monitoring the position and speed of the camshaft and sending this information to the ECU, Engine Control Unit. If the ECU detects a problem in the signal from the Camshaft Position Sensor B on Bank 2, it triggers the P0395 code, leading to misfires, hard starts, and poor acceleration. Common symptoms of P0395: check engine light, CL, on engine misfires or rough idling, difficulty starting the car, loss of power and acceleration, RPM fluctuations and hesitation, poor fuel economy. If you notice these symptoms, it's time to locate and inspect the camshaft position sensor. Where can you find the Camshaft Position Sensor B for Bank 2? Well, it's typically located in a few specific areas. First, you might find it on the cylinder head, usually near the camshaft, at the rear or top of the engine. Another common spot is near the timing chain or belt cover, close to the timing components. You might also check behind the valve cover, where it's often mounted near the intake or exhaust camshaft. And finally, in dual camshaft engines, look on the intake camshaft on the Bank 2 side. Tip: Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite to cylinder 1. Always refer to your car's service manual for exact sensor placement. Now let's talk about the common causes of the P0395 error code. First, a faulty camshaft position sensor, also known as CMP, could be the culprit. The sensor may be damaged or worn out. Second, damaged wiring or loose connectors. Corrosion, broken wires, or poor connections can cause signal issues. Third, timing chain or belt problems. If the timing chain is stretched or misaligned, it can affect sensor readings. Fourth, ECU software issues. A glitch in the ECU may require a software update. And finally, a faulty reluctor wheel or tone ring. If misaligned or dirty, it can disrupt the sensor's signal. How to fix P0395? Well, let's go through the steps. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Locate and inspect the Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP-B, on Bank 2. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the sensor's voltage and resistance with a multimeter. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt for alignment issues. Step 6. Update the ECU software if needed. And finally, Step 7. Clear the error code using an obd2 scanner and take a test drive. Now, some final words. The P0395 error code can seriously affect your car's performance. If your car is misfiring, hesitating, or struggling to start, make sure to check the camshaft position sensor and wiring immediately. For more car troubleshooting guides, watch these next videos. P0086, Exhaust Valve Control Solenoid Circuit, Bank 1, and P0087, Fuel Rail System Pressure, Too Low. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.